If 37.5% of a number is 450, 87.5% of the number is okay. Now, you must be aware of the fraction equivalents of such percentages because these are very commonly used percentage values. 37.5 percentage is nothing but 3 by 8 when you convert it into fraction, and 87.5 percentage is nothing but 7 by 8 when you convert it to a fraction. So 37.5 percentage of a number, the equation becomes 3 by 8 of x is equal to 450. Now we want to find out 87.5 percentage of the number. So that is 7 by 8 of x. Now from this x we can assume, now instead of solving it completely, what we'll do is x is equal to 450 upon 3, that becomes 150. So I'll just keep it as 150 into 8. Because over here when we substitute the value of x, 8 will get cancelled out. So now 87.5 percentage of the number will be 15 sevens are 105 and one more zero. So answer will be 1050.